Good morning. Today I am going to explain the factors affecting the process of evaporation. As we know that the process of changing of a liquid into its vapor is called evaporation. There are some factors which affect the rate of evaporation. The first is temperature, second is surface area, third is humidity, and fourth one is wind speed. As we know that temperature is the measure of hotness and coldness of a substance. It means it measures the amount of heat energy present in an object. By increasing the temperature, that is by supplying heat to a substance, we can weaken the interparticle force of attraction. So here, by increasing temperature, the rate of evaporation can be increased. We can say that during summer season, when temperature of the atmosphere is high, the wet cloths get dried shortly. So by increasing temperature or decreasing temperature, we can affect increase or decrease the rate of evaporation. Surface area of the liquid. As we know that evaporation is a surface phenomena, so area of the surface of a liquid affects the rate of evaporation. When surface area of the liquid exposed to air is increased, more and more water particles are able to escape from the liquid. I mean to say here that the particles of liquid on the upper surface are able to easily move away by breaking the force of attraction of particles between the liquid. We can see here that when we place equal amount of water in a plate or in a bottle, we find that the water present in the plate gets evaporated shortly, and the water present in the bottle takes larger time to evaporate. So surface area of a liquid affects the rate of evaporation. By increasing the surface area, we can increase the rate of evaporation. Humidity of the air. It means amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. The amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity. So humidity of the atmosphere affects the rate of evaporation because water vapor is formed during the process evaporation. If humidity of air is high, then rate of evaporation will be low, and when humidity of air is low, rate of evaporation will be high. This is due to the reason that when humidity of air is high, then there is no space, much space to accommodate the water vapor further. So rate of evaporation decreases. But when humidity of air is low, then more and more spaces are available for the accommodation of water vapor further, and hence rate of evaporation increases. Wind speed. Blowing air is called wind. When air blows, then it washes away the water vapor present around a water source or wet cloths, wet objects. Due to this, the humidity around the wet cloth or water source decreases due to wind speed, and more spaces are available for the further accommodation of water vapor and rate of evaporation increases. So when we spread a wet cloth in blowing air, it gets dried shortly. But when there is no wind, then wet cloths take more and more time to dry. This is all about the factors affecting the rate of evaporation. You can observe a number of examples present in your around you. Okay, thanks. In next video we will discuss about the cooling effect of evaporation.